When you click a platform logo on Resogra, you're sent to Restream, and that's where the actual connection happens. In this short video, I'll show you exactly how to add each social media account to your Restream so your live show streams to every platform at the same time. Let's go. Start on your Resogra waiting room. Under Step 1, click any of the 6 platform logos. Restream opens in a new tab. That's where the connection happens. First time only, sign in to Restream. The easiest way is continue with Google. If you don't have a Restream account yet, the same button creates one in seconds, no credit card needed. Once you're in, click Channels in the left sidebar. This is where every social platform you stream to lives. You'll see a grid of every platform Restream supports: YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitch, Instagram, LinkedIn, Kik, and over 30 more. Click the one you want to add first. A small window opens, sign in to your account and click Allow to authorize Restream. That's the whole connection. Restream handles the rest behind the scenes. Back on Restream, the platform you just added now appears with a green connected tag. You're ready to stream to it from any show. Now do the same for every platform you want to stream to. Click the next card, Sign in, Authorize. The more platforms you connect, the more eyeballs see your live show, for the same effort. Each platform has a toggle. If you want to skip one on a particular show, turn off the toggle. Turn it back on next time. You control which platforms get the broadcast every time. Close the Restream tab and refresh your Resogra waiting room. Under Step 1, the platforms you connected now show with a green connected tag. You're done and ready to go live. And that's every platform connected. From now on, when you go live from Resogra, your show streams to every platform you just added at the same time with one click. Your audience triples, and you only have to perform once. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your first multi-platform live show.